Have you ever opened MetaTrader 5 and felt like your chart looked messy and confusing? Maybe you have spent many minutes changing colors, removing the grid, hiding volume bars, and repeating the same setup every time you open a new chart. What if I told you that you only need to customize your chart once and MetaTrader 5 can remember everything for you? In this video, I will show you how to create a clean and professional MetaTrader 5 template, customize your chart settings, save your template, and automatically apply it to every chart you open. By the end of this video, you will have a professional trading workspace that saves time and allows you to focus more on market analysis. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about Forex trading, MetaTrader tutorials, trading tools, and everything that can help you improve your trading skills. If you are interested in this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Today, I want to show you how to create a professional MetaTrader 5 template. When you open MetaTrader 5 for the first time, the chart usually comes with default settings. You will see grid lines, volume bars, and standard candle colors. These settings are not bad, but for many traders, they can make the chart look crowded and difficult to analyze. A clean chart helps you focus on price movement, market structure, support and resistance, and important trading levels. So let's customize our chart. First, right-click anywhere on the chart and select Properties. A settings window will appear. This is where we can change the appearance of our chart. The first thing we need to change is the color scheme. Go to the color scheme option and select black on white. This gives us a clean professional background that is easy to customize. Next, we need to remove unnecessary elements. Go to volume and change the color to white. This will hide the volume bars from the chart. After that, we need to remove the grid lines. You can change the grid color to white, or you can simply right-click on the chart and disable the grid option. Removing the grid gives your chart a cleaner and more professional look. Now let's customize the candlesticks. For bullish candles, we will use green. For bearish candles, we will use red. These colors make it easier to identify buying and selling pressure. You can also customize the candle outlines and wick colors. Personally, I prefer the wick color to match the candle body. So bullish candles will have green wicks and bearish candles will have red wicks. However, you can choose any colors that work best for your trading style. After completing all the changes, click OK. Now you can see how the chart has completely changed. The chart looks cleaner, more professional, and easier to analyze. Now the important part is saving this setup. The reason we save a template is because we don't want to repeat the same customization every time we open a new currency pair. To save your template, right-click on the chart. Go to Templates. Select Save Template. Give your template a name. For example, I will name mine OG. Then click Save. Your template is now saved. Let's test it. Suppose I want to open another currency pair, for example, we'll have the default settings. Instead of customizing everything again, I simply right-click on the chart. Go to Templates, select the OG template. Immediately, the chart will change and apply all the settings that we saved before. The colors, candle style, and layout will automatically be applied. This saves a lot of time and keeps all your charts consistent. Now, if you want this template to apply automatically every time you open a new chart, you can save it as the default template. Right-click again. Go to Templates. Select Save Template. Name the template Default. Then click Save. From now on, whenever you open a new chart in MetaTrader 5, your customized layout will automatically appear. This is a simple but powerful feature that many traders don't use. Having a consistent chart setup helps you work faster, stay organized, and focus more on your trading analysis instead of spending time changing settings. Professional traders understand that small improvements in their workflow can make a big difference. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to customize MetaTrader 5. Create your own template, save it, and apply it to any currency pair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell for more trading tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading